Hello, this is Jessica from Anvil Analytics and Insights, and today I wanted to go over how to set up site search in your Google Analytics account. So to start with, we're going to come down here to Admin. In our View Settings, or in our View column, we're going to go to View Settings. We're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and turn Site Search Tracking on. Now it asks for a query parameter. We don't have site search on our site, but we'll use YouTube as an example. So here I searched for Anvil Analytics and Insights, and it pulls through in the URL. This search query is your query parameter. So for you, it may not be search_query, it may be S or T or Q, whatever comes before the equal sign, and then the search term that you entered. So we're going to come back here, and I'm going to enter search_query if we were setting this up for YouTube. Now, after that, make sure you click Save, and that is how you set up basic site search tracking on your site. If you want to continue receiving tips and tricks about Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, or Google Data Studio, make sure you subscribe to our newsletter to stay up to date on all of our latest content.